Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account you intend to change. Make sure two-step verification is active so you can confirm identity quickly. Once signed in, verify recovery phone and email. These let you regain access if something goes wrong. Next, backup essential data, drive, photos, contacts, because a user ID change can affect account access across devices. Finally, decide the new username format and check if that email or handle is available before moving to account settings. Once done with backups, go to Accounts. Google, calm and open personal info. You'll change either the Google account email or the display name depending on your goal. For primary email changes, follow the prompts to add an alternate address and verify it. If you're changing the account's name, edit the name field and save. This updates how you appear across Google services. Make sure to update sync settings and any devices that use the old ID so sessions don't fail. You finish by signing out everywhere and signing back in with the updated credentials so tokens refresh immediately. Once signed in, review connected apps and transfer ownership of shared files or subscriptions that still reference the old ID. If something breaks, verify recovery options and use Google Account Recovery. For work or school accounts, contact your administrator because changes may be restricted. A key troubleshooting tip: if verification emails don't arrive,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.